Taong 2013, dumayo sa baluarte ng Pinoy itong si Rafael Concepcion. Baon-baon ang mataas na confidence dahil sa natalo nito si AJ Banal ng unang pagkakataon. At ito namang si Genesis Urbania ay atat na atat ng maipaghiganti ang kanyang kaibigan. At sinigurado nga ni Rafael Concepcion na mapait din daw ang sasapitin ni Urbania sa kamay niya, at sa katunayan ay nagdala pa ito ng unan para kay Urbania dahil matutulog lang daw ito. At tila ba parang bangungot ito para kay Rafael Concepcion dahil ginalit ito ng husto si Genesis Urbania. Halina't ating balikan. Pero bago yan mga idol, sana po pakiclick po yung like, share, and subscribe. Samahan nyo na din ng notification bell button para sa iba pang mga updates. Salamat! At sa unang round pa nga lang ay ramdam na ang tensyon ng dalawa at parang gigil na gigil ito sa isa't isa. Dito sa round 1 ay nagpalitan sila ng mga malalakas na suntok, pero parang hindi nakalimutan ni Urbania ang mga sinabi ni Rafael Concepcion. Kaya bigla nitong pinasok ang depensa ni Rafael Concepcion.
He felt the power of Genesis. Good right uppercut. Urbania is catching him. Beautiful exchange. Urbania getting the better. Beautiful right hand. Good right hand by Urbania. Maganda yung kanan niya. Si Concepcion is bigat. Left hook pa. May problema si Concepcion, pero si Genesis, ingat lang. Good right uppercut and a left uppercut rather. Right over there. He missed with the right, Urbania. Pero yung overhand right po ni Concepcion tumatama kay Urbania. Has to move his head a little. Ito si Urbania. Urbania stalking Concepcion, running around the ring. He's got to cut off the ring. Catches it with the left. And yung performance ni Urbania so far. Good combination by Urbania. Right. Concepcion is better. Working right hand. And by Urbania holding. Wait. This is revenge. Revenge written all over the fists of Urbania, but do not count out Concepcion. See, he connected with a good overhand right against si Concepcion. Yun ang delikado, yung overhand right niya. Pero si Urbania, maganda yung timing niya, maganda yung galaw niya. Maganda yung counter holding again, yun.
Laking pagsisisi ni Rafael Concepcion kung ba't ginalit ito si Urbania. Huwag mo kasing galitin ang mga Pinoy, Otoy. Buti na lang mayroong gamot sa pagkahilo itong si Rafael Concepcion. Ayan na, round 2. Ang aksyon sa opening round, yung overhand right
saka yung mga
ni Concepcion.
Kanan.
Pero tinan po ninyo ang counter ni Urbania. Breaking right hand. There's a left. Eksplosibo po ang opening round.
Genesis, back.
Sir Peter Musngi in the house. At dito naman sa round 2, halatang hindi pa nakarecover itong si Rafael Concepcion. Kaya parang run for his life na ang ginagawa niya dito.
Cebu City. Beautiful hotel, nice ambience, wonderful people. Let him go.
What an opening round. Both men coming out with guns blazing.
Si Concepcion may gulang yan eh.
Oo, alam mo marami siyang malaban. Sa punto namang ito ay narinig ni Urbania ang sigaw ng mga tao. Tapusin.
But Urbania got back with the right hand of Concepcion.
Remember, in the Banal fight, Concepcion was hurt several times. At habang tumatakbo nga ang oras, parang nape-pressure na itong si Rafael Concepcion. Kaya kahit kung ano-anong panggugulang na lang ang ginagamit nito, kagaya ng ginawa niya kay AJ Banal. Pero hindi nagpatinag itong ating kababayan. Kaya ito na, nagcha-charge na.
Good counter right and left. Good work.
And Concepcion looks hurt. Right to the body.
Combination. Body shots. Beautiful left and a right uppercut by Urbania.
Right uppercut. Oh boy!
It's over.
Si El Torito naprito
Napritong-prito.
sa beautiful right uppercut
beautiful right uppercut by Serbania.
Maganda yung
Kaya po,
ginawa.
ang pamilya ni Serbania, si Antonio Serbania, kanyang tatay. The mom was also there.
Maganda yung performance niya, Marcos. Ito, this was the best Genesis Servania we have seen. Iba talaga. Concepcion is still lying flat on his
Nasaan
back.
kaya yung unan na kanyang iririgalo daw kay Serbania?
Oh.
But he's flat. He's flattened out.
This is the Avenger, Genesis Servania. He has avenged the loss of Balal. Grabe yung ginawa itong bata na ito. Sobrang
Unholy
galing.
power displayed by Genesis Serbania.
Sinabi niya, I am going to make you eat your words. Now he ate the leather.
And you can see he's pointing. He's pointing.
Concepcion is
He's
still out.
okay.
Tagal
But
na. Ha?
he looks
Wala.
okay. He looks okay. That was a smashing right uppercut. Sinalubong niya eh.
Oh. Hanggang na yun. Okay. They are still attending to Rafael Concepcion. Is flat on his back on the canvas. Meantime, see Genesis Servania receiving the applause and the plaudits of the fan, including Dino Laureano.
Hindi magkamayaw ang mga tao. Tinan po ninyo ang highlight reel how Serbania delivered revenge.
Good
Cracking
right. Right, the right hook, right?
Oo, hybrid. Yung suntok na kanyang binatawan. It appears he was looking for an uppercut. Tinan po niya, it was an uppercut. An uppercut. Yes, cracking uppercut.
Perfect yung timing niya. Out cold si Concepcion. Out cold. He's still on the canvas. Hey,
Unbelievable power, Ronnie.
oh, he's getting oxygen.
That was one of the most vicious knockout victories we've seen dito sa Pinoy Pride, delivered by
Alam mo-
Genesis Serbania.
Alam mo na partner, sinabi nila medyo kulang ng power ni Genesis Servania. This is not Genesis, this is Genesis and Exodus.